is presenting this BCMS system leveraging AI for monitoring and managing wildlife associated risk. The floor is yours.
So thank you, and thank you for having me today. I am Fabio Masci, and I am on behalf of the Edge company. For the next 15 minutes, I would like to introduce you to the BCMS, our bird control and management system. But above all, to talk about why we build the way we did. Let me start with 3 numbers. So, true positive rate. What does it mean? So, taking 100 detection, the true positive rate tells you how much of these 100 were true. The system we are proposing has a true positive rate above 95%. Second number is the false rate. So out of these, less than 5% are false positive because nothing is perfect in this world. And of course, the difference between a human observer and machine that is pretty easy to understand. We tested that we are able to see 5 times more detection than a trained observer at airports. Please hold these numbers in mind because this frames everything we follows in the future, in the next of the presentation. And not just better statistic, but a different way of working. My thesis is pretty simple today. It's not enough that you see birds, but it's essential that you have to be able to act on what you see immediately and with confidence.